Hello pumpkins, today I'm showing you two bouquets, one made with fresh flowers and the other crafted from colorful chenille stems. Romantic or creative? Which one speaks to you more? If your heart leans towards unique and handmade gifts, then let's dive right into the tutorial. Let's start with the first flower, the cheerful gerber. Fold a cream-colored stem in half, twist it tightly at the 4 cm mark. Twist both sides again every 4 cm to shape the petal. Cut off the excess wire at the bottom. Make 8 petals. Wrap a pink chenille stem around a glue stick to form a spring coil. Bend the petal base slightly and glue 4 petals to the flower stem. Add the second layer of the petals beneath the first. Glue the coil into the center of the flower. Now that our gerbera is ready, let's move on to creating a graceful lily. Fold one white stem in half, cut and fold again. Insert a long stem through and twist tightly. Fold down both ends to create the inner petal. Shape the petal with a slight curve. Dab some colored powder lightly onto the petal base. Make 5 petals. Glue the petals to the flower stem. Attach a pearl chain as the flower center. Next, we're making a soft and delicate edelweiss, also known as snow lotus. Fold one chenille stem in half, twist at 6.5 cm. Fold down both ends and twist one side through the loop. Make 5 petals in total. For stamens, cut a nude-colored stem at 3 cm. Trim the end into a soft curve. Make 3 of these. Glue and squeeze them together to form the center. Glue the petals around the flower center and adjust positions. Let's add a vibrant touch with a spring flower. Fold the stem in half, twist at 6.5 cm. Twist one side through the loop and adjust the curve. Make 6 petals. Glue the petals to the flower stem, forming a second layer in between the first. Now it's time for something more elegant, a soft and fluffy Fizzer lady flower. Fold 2 nude stems, cut in half. Twist one small piece onto another to fix. Shape into petal with a curve and cut off excess. Make 5 petals. Roll a stem into a 2 cm spiral and glue as the flower center. Glue petals around the stem. Fold 4 short pieces for a stamen and glue them into the center. Of course, no bouquet is complete without a romantic rose. Let's craft one next. Fold 2 pink stems, cut in half. Twist short sticks together and fix with another twist at 5 cm. Make the top slightly curved. Make 3 small petals, then 5 larger petals with a pointy bases. Glue the small petals to the flower stem first, then layer large petals around. Each petal should slightly overlap with the previous one. To add detail, we're making a blossom branch to fill in the bouquet. Wrap a single stem around the pen 5 times, twist to form a circle. Pull the circle flat and adjust the shape. Glue a pearl into the center. Make 7 of these petals, then wrap them with the floral tape. After that, use floral tape again to attach the flowers one by one to the plastic stem. Finally, adjust the flowers as you like. we will need 2 of these flowers. Next, prepare 2 chenille stems. Take one, fold in half and cut it. Fold it in half again. Insert the long stem through, pull it tight and twist to secure. Fold down both sides of the stem. Twist the inner part of the stem, the end of the stem should be tight. Cut off the excess. Shape it into a curve, 1 petal is now done. Make 5 petals in total. Apply glue to the petals and stick them onto the flower stem. Once all 5 petals are attached, adjust their placement a bit. Next, let's create a delicate calla lily branch. Fold a white stem bent again at 8 cm. Join the ends together. Create a hook and attach it to a base frame. Wrap the wire around the frame. Keep 1 cm loose at the end for continuity and attach new stems if needed. Repeat the wrapping process until the frame is covered. Cut yellow stems at 6.5 cm, twist and glue to the stem as small leaves. Shape into curves and wrap with floral tape. Now that all the flowers are done, it's time to arrange them and put everything together beautifully. Assemble the flower box by placing 2 foam blocks inside. Arrange all the finished flowers in the box, trimming stems as needed. Adjust their positioning for a balanced and beautiful look. I hope you enjoyed the process and found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I'd be super happy if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you again soon.